Hey family, look, happy Friday. Herbalist Viola. Look, I'm just showing you my natural PowerHouse cold pack. Just showing you different ways that you can incorporate these cold pack. Just my cold pack, I added the garlic. Smells so good. I added garlic, but you can add onion, you can add whatever you want. Oregano. Remember before I was talking about these babies right here. I was talking about the black pepper essential oil. I was talking about the cayenne pepper, and then I was talking about the peppermint oil. These are certain things. These are just what you can add in your cold pack, because I didn't like some of you guys' cold pack. You guys were telling me all the things you had in your cold pack. I didn't like those things. I didn't like those things in your cold pack. But I just want you to see this basic, simple, and this is a starter kit. I got my cinnamon, my honey, I have the ginger, and I have my citrus, the lemon and lime. But I know the other picture didn't have the lime or didn't have the garlic, but I just added it. But I want to show you some simple recipes that you can use when you're not feeling well. You know, when you got the sniffles, or you got a headache, you just not feeling good, you got cramps. But y'all know this is a cold pack, so we're going to talk about that mucus. We want to make sure we get the mucus and other things, how to get other things, and how long it takes to get out your body. But I'm just going to show you some simple recipes that you can use, mainly with the ginger. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So right now we're going to make something for that cough and for that cold that you have. So you're going to need some honey. You're going to need 2 lemons, and you're going to need a little piece, just a little piece of ginger. I'm just cutting up my lemon, Now we're cutting up the ginger. See, I have my ginger, put my ginger in there, and I'm putting 2 lemons in there. Ooh, we're going to put the lemon in there. Just slice them up nice and pretty. And you put your lemon in there. And this is for, you got that cough and that cold. And you're just using the same PowerHouse natural. So I'm using some citrus, and I'm using honey, and I'm using some ginger. Not too big, and we just fill it up. There we go. We're just filling it up all the way to the rim. You don't want no air in here. Ooh, this is what we do. This is what we do. And then you seal it up. Ooh, we just seal it up. Oh, looks good. Yes. Yeah. Go ahead and have this. And all you do is take either a teaspoon or a tablespoon. It all depends on how sick you are. So there we have it. We have some honey, some organic honey. Make sure you get the good honey. So, and then two slices of lemons, and then we have just a little, just maybe like a ginger in there. And you just, you can go ahead and have this. And no, this is for that bad cough and that bad cold. So you already know the benefits of honey. You already know antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiviral, great coughs and colds. You already see the slides. So I want to make sure that you know this is for that cold pack, that natural PowerHouse cold pack that I've been talking about. So I don't know about y'all guys, cold pack, but this is part of my regimen. All right, so next we're going to try some ginger tea. All right. So right now I already have it made for video purposes only. I already have it made. So for video purposes only, I already have my, I already have my ginger tea. These are 2 different teas that I'm going to show you. So this one has turmeric in it. You know I love turmeric. And what I do is I make sure that I put shake it up. I put my black pepper in it. Black pepper essential oil, y'all know. Get it from Herbalist Kareem. I go ahead and put 1 drop, just 1 drop of the black pepper essential oil. Y'all already know about black pepper essential oil. We want to make sure that we get rid of the mucus. We want to make sure, look, aids in digestion. Y'all already know the last video. Don't sleep on that black pepper. Don't not sleep on that black pepper. But right now, this is ginger. Just a little bit of turmeric. I just put a like an eighth of a teaspoon. So this is nice and warm. So, and I put ginger. And you can put a little honey, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add I just add a little cinnamon, just a little bit. So it's not that much. I see it. It's not that much. I put a little bit of cinnamon in there. So right now, this is turmeric, lemon, and ginger tea. That's what this is. And you just drink up. You already know. You're not feeling good. You got a cold. You got maybe a little fever. You got a little headache. You got a little chills. You already know this. This is for the cold pack. This is cold pack. This is what you can use for the cold pack. And all I did was add turmeric. So you know how you just add two, but you don't take away. You don't take away. So I'm just adding two. I'm just adding two. And this, it helps with them pains. It helps with them pains. Just for that joint pain, inflammation, just so much. So that's 2 recipe. All right, we're gonna go to recipe number 3. And look, you can use some cayenne pepper. It'll give you a kick. So just add a little bit water. But you can use Mama D Purple Sage Healthy Living cayenne pepper. You can use it. You know, I'm always doing something with a kick. Because look, I ain't worrying about the taste. I'm not worrying about the taste. I'm just worrying about getting that inflammation and feeling better. It's all about feeling better. I don't know about you, but this is the natural cold pack, and it's about feeling better. So this is recipe number 2. We're going to go to recipe number 3. Recipe number 3. Yeah. Look, it's been already made it. So I already made it. I'm going to show you a little video. You see it seeping all in there, going down to the bottom. It's slowly doing it. So I'm just prepping how I made it. So look, here we go. This is honey. And you eat this on an empty stomach. Remember I was telling you, I know a couple of videos ago, how you put honey and garlic. PowerHouse. Look, antiviral, antibacterial. Look, so this helps. This helps get the mucus. This helps drain stuff. This aids your stomach. You know, sometimes you feel queasy and stomach's feeling not so good. Look, get it. Try it. So you sit on, looks good. Look at that. I put this top on it so it won't leak, because sometimes you got to make sure your top is sealed. So I just put this in there just to make sure it won't leak. But you see how good that is? Woo! I just love it. This is the help with all those colds and flus and all that other stuff that's going around. It's going around. Don't you want to get your vitamins? Don't you get your nutrients? This is your nutrients. So I want to make sure you have all your arsenal, all the stuff. You know, have your cold pack. So, but you can prep early. So yeah, I see I already prepped. Look good, don't it? Go ahead and try it. Ooh, it looks so good. It smells real good, y'all. So what you want to do is you just want to get some of the honey and just get maybe like 1. You can smash it up. Remember, you want to take this on an empty stomach, family. Take this on an empty stomach. I'm just smashing it up, family, so I can go ahead and make sure that the allicin in there be activated. Yes. So, and I'm just going to go ahead and swallow it. Woo, cheers. Yep. And like I said, you take it on an empty stomach. And we're going to just close this back up. Uh-oh. I'm going to just close this back up. Focus on the cold pack, because it's about, just getting your body back, building that immune system. Remember when I said they only want to talk about the immunity on that boob tube? So here's your own. All right. Let's go to number 4. All right. This is another ginger tea. Look, I know the other ones I added turmeric, but this is just ginger tea. What you want to do is you want to make sure you have your ginger, your lemon, and your honey. So all you need is 2 cups of water. Just 2 cups of water, a half a lemon, and about an inch, just an inch of you just want an inch. Just an inch of ginger. That's all you need, just an inch of ginger. And a tablespoon of honey. You see, I already made it. It looks so good. It looks so good. And look, you got to juice it. So you got to juice your lemon. You got to juice your ginger. And look, video purposes only, I am not in the kitchen. So I just want to make this video real quick and not have it so long. So I just went on and prepped everything. Don't it look so good? Look. Now I'm going to go ahead and drink some. Whew. And it's room temperature where you can just drink it down. Whew. So you ever get like that tickly and all that bad sinus and all that mucus, that stuff, y'all know what I mean. Have you some tea. So there's 2 teas, and you got something for cough and cold. All of them for cough and cold, all of them. But don't you want something that's going to take care of all that little kick that little itchy stuff and the sinus pressure and headaches? Look, you want something to take care of them shivers. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You be under the cover cold. You're not feeling good. You're constantly blowing your nose. You want to feel good, right? So these are some recipes I just want to show you. I just want to show you what you can do with that cold pack. So there you have 4 recipes. 4 recipes you can use. You can use. And what you do with the orange, you can squeeze a little orange, in the teas. That's pretty much on you. You can do it. But I would just drink the citrus by itself. Because I'm always talking about, I would just drink, because I'm always talking about your vitamin C. The vitamin C the vitamin D is getting out in that sun. But the vitamin C that you want to do, you want to make sure, look, nice cold pack. But what you want to do is you want to make sure that you squeeze your own orange. Just squeeze some oranges. And that's what you need to drink. Same thing, orange water. You could do ginger water. Don't think you can't. You could do ginger water right by itself. You don't have to have a whole lot of ginger. You just take a little piece of ginger. Or what you can do is you can store, like I store my lemon and lime. I just go in there when I go buy them. I squeeze them up for that week or for 2 weeks and just put it in a jar and put it in the refrigerator so I can just, splash it in when I, normally during the day. So I just want you to see the recipes. I just want you to see the recipes. Woo, especially this one. This is, you eat this on an empty stomach. You can't eat this on an empty stomach to take care of your stomach bugs. But right now, this is honey and garlic. This is honey, ginger, and lemons. This is honey, lemon, ginger, and 2 cups of water. And you already know what this is. I put some cinnamon in this one, and it's turmeric, lemon, and ginger. So I want you to know these different recipes, all things you can do with that simple cold pack that I was talking about. And you already noticed all I did was add what? I just added turmeric. So I did a little extra for that pain. Y'all know y'all be talking about that pain. And I just want to do it. So I want to make sure I add these. Because you already have the black pepper. You have the cayenne pepper. And then I want to make sure I add the peppermint oil. Peppermint essential oil. These are just extra things that you can have. Just want to make sure that it's extra things you can have. Because you just never know. You just never know. And look, everybody keeps slipping on this cinnamon. Cinnamon is very powerful. Very powerful. Antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiviral. So many things. And all I'm saying is this helps with pain, helps with your cold, your flu. This is a sleeping thing. Like you can take this, you could just take this, you can just drink this in some water, or you can capsule it up, or you can make a tincture. Don't think, you got to make it in tea. You can't make it in tea form. You can't mix it in some honey. You can't mix it with your oranges. You can't mix it with your lime and your lemons. And you can't have this with some garlic. So I want you to know, we want to make sure that we're taking care of our body and taking care of our body well. Because it's all about taking care of our body and make sure we take care of our body. Because y'all know what's going on. We still in this demic. What are you doing for your body? What are you doing for your body? So my next video, I know I promised to tell you about things to how how long it takes for things to get rid out your body. But that's going to be on the next video. So just stay tuned. I know I didn't want this video to go long. And plus, I want you to try these recipes. Drink these down when you're not feeling good. Y'all know how it is. Y'all know how it is. Well, look, happy Friday, you guys. Matter of fact, this one, add this one to your arsenal, please. You already got paid. You got paid. So go ahead and add this one to your arsenal, please. Look. You see, I'm running low. Yeah, look, I need to have like three of these on tap. But just go ahead and pick some up. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on the cinnamon, y'all. Don't sleep on the cinnamon. Look, I'm Herbalist Viola. You guys have a great weekend. Bye, family.